We found a baby bird yesterday, and it was just like out, like squeaking in the sun. So we moved it away, out of the sun, and I kept checking up on it. And I checked up on it today again. It was still out there, and it wasn't really making noise anymore. So I felt really bad for it. And I looked up what I can do. I called a rescue center. They haven't responded. Another one was like out of range. So I brought it in. I took some advice from some people who said I can use like cat food, like wet cat food, if I heat it up and like mush it, because it needs to be really small, obviously, because it can't like eat on its own yet, or eat like hard food and stuff. So I'm gonna try to do that, I guess. Sorry, I look like a mess. Yeah. Hello. There's currently people working outside my window in my art room. And also, I checked on the baby bird and it has died, so I'm over here being sad about it. I think I wanna paint something, I guess, in its honor. I was already thinking of doing a painting for today anyway, so, yeah, why not? anyway, I just finished the little painting, drawing thing. It was a multimedia kind of painting because I used watercolor and some pencils and pastels. Yeah, I just finished it, and I think we decided that we are gonna go put the little bird out in the woods somewhere, so you know it can be recycled into nature. So yeah, it is really sad, but it fell from its nest, which was pretty high up. We couldn't put it back or anything. We left it out there, like we moved it out of the way at first, and then yeah, we tried calling people, but like anyway, it passed away. Yeah, there's nothing we can do about it really. We tried. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave me a like. I don't know, comment a cute bird emoji or something. If there's more than one. I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and if you aren't subscribed yet, I do all kinds of artsy creative stuff, so if you like that, please subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I see you on the next one. Bye.